Assalamu alaikum, ya gishirwa, ya ibada. Today we're going to be making some shrimp and vegetable spring rolls. All the ingredients are pasted on the screen. I'm also going to leave them in the description bar below. So today we're working with some shrimp, some carrots, some yellow capsicum, green capsicum, cabbage, green chillies, spring onions, and the rest. Into my frying pan, I've added my oil, followed by my minced garlic and ginger. I'm going to saute this with my carrots and slowly add my other vegetables. So first goes my green chilies, and then I'm going to go ahead and saute that a little bit longer before adding my shrimp. Shrimp goes in and we give it a few seconds before adding the cabbage. Next, we're going to add our yellow bell peppers, followed by the green bell peppers, and finally my Adobo seasoning and ABC sweet soy sauce. You can use oyster sauce in place of this one. Saute for a little while and then add in your spring onions, followed by our corn starch and water mixture. This is going to thicken the sauce. We don't want it too watery, otherwise it's going to wet our wrappers. Now set it aside to allow it to cool. In the meantime, put about a tablespoon of flour into a bowl and add some water until you have a thick paste. This is going to serve as the glue that seals our spring rolls. I found these spring roll wrappers and also some sambusa sheets at Palace Mall here in Kumasi. They have such a great selection of food items for the month of Ramadan. Add some of that filling at the bottom half of the triangle and fold the sides together and roll it up. It's pretty simple to do, especially because it's shaped as a triangle already. So go ahead now and use that flour and water mixture to seal your spring roll wrapper. And voila, it is ready to go. So go ahead and preheat some oil, let it be medium heat, not too hot, and add your spring rolls in there and monitor them until they are golden and crispy. Plate your spring rolls alongside some sweet chili sauce or whatever sauces you prefer. Serve them while they're hot and barakamu de shanrua. I'll see you all inshallah in my next video.